Take a ride in the 2009 Avalanche. This vehicle is powered by a 2-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 5.3-liter engine and comes with an automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 135,000 miles. The Chevy Avalanche can transform from an SUV into a full-size pickup truck, all in less than a minute. This makes the Avalanche one of the most flexible vehicles out there. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.